The Spiros closed male connector creates a closed preparation and delivery system which protects the clinician from exposure to hazardous drugs. Traditional methods of preparing chemotherapy involve using a needle or syringe, which are open systems. These systems allow for the escape of vapors, drips, and ultimately spills. The Spiros eliminates the use of needles and closes the system to prevent exposure to hazardous drugs during their preparation. The Spiros may be used to access any female Luer or needle-free connector. When the Spiros is attached to a connector, the rim of the Luer contacts and depresses the activation ears, which moves the poppet into the Spiros and opens the flow path. When the Spiros is disconnected, the poppet automatically returns to the closed position and also provides a slight vacuum of fluid. This slight vacuum aids in aspirating any residual connection fluid into the Spiros for containment that may have come from the mating device. The Spiros allows for the closed transfer of hazardous fluids from the drug vial to the delivery container. The Spiros is always closed until you access a standard needle-free connector. When transporting syringes for IV push, the Spiros will protect against accidental spills or leaks. The Spiros is also useful on the administration set, where it prevents leaks and spills during transport from the pharmacy to the bedside. Spiros can protect the nursing staff from exposure by preventing leaks or spills from the administration set. The Spiros is activated or opened only when it is attached to a needle-free connector. The Spiros also protects during the disposal process by maintaining a closed system at all times. NIOSH recommends the use of closed systems for the handling of hazardous drugs. Spiros is the only universally compatible device that closes the male end of preparation and administration equipment. Spiros can be attached to any male Luer to create a closed system. It eliminates needles and adapts to any system without the use of any additional connectors or components. The Spiros is always closed until it is attached to a needle-free connector and will protect against spills during an accidental disconnect and during disposal.
The spinning Spiros has an integrated locking spin collar, which will remain attached to any male Luer device once it is activated and spinning, reducing the risk of the tubing or syringe from accidental disconnect. The spinning Spiros also reduces tube coiling in IV sets.
Spiros is a simple, cost-effective answer to protecting the healthcare worker and the environment from exposure to hazardous drugs. For more information about the Spiros, please visit our website at www.icumed.com or contact the corporate offices at 949-366-2183.